Hello viewers, in this video we'll see marginal costing part 2. We'll see one problem. K Limited places before you the following trading results. The details regarding 2 years was given, units, total cost and sales for 2-year period, that is 1997 and 1998 was given, okay. And they asked us to prepare the following, that is the PV ratio, break-even point both in units and amount, fixed cost, margin of safety in the year 1998, sales to earn a profit of 70,000, the amount of profit when sales are rupees 5 lakh, okay. These many questions we have to answer using this information, okay. We'll see how to work out this problem. First I have written the details, that is it is given in the problem, that is units, total cost and sales. I have written it here. And now we have to find out the profit, okay. Here total cost and sales was given, okay. Using this we can able to find out the profit, and this total cost is nothing but your variable cost plus fixed cost, okay. So if we subtract this cost from this sales, we'll get profit, right? Okay, so 1 lakh minus 80,000 will get 20,000 and 1 lakh 20,000 minus 90,000 will get 30,000. Okay, this is the profit. And now we can able to work out the problem, because for finding this PV ratio we should know the change in profit and the change in sales, okay. So now we can able to find out the change in profit. 30,000 minus 20,000 will get 10,000 is the change in profit, okay. In 1997 the profit was 20,000 and in 1998 the profit was 30,000. So 10,000 is the change here. First we'll see the formula for that, change in profit divided by change in sales. Here the change is 10,000 in profit and in sales the change is 20,000. So 10,000 divided by 20,000 into 100 will get 50%. Okay, 50% is the PV ratio, okay. And the next question is break-even point both in units and amount. For finding this break-even point, we should know what is the fixed cost. Okay, then only we can able to work out this break-even point. Before answering this question, we'll find what is this fixed cost, okay. Yes, fixed cost is nothing but your contribution minus profit. Okay, we have profit here. So we need to find what is this contribution, okay. Contribution is nothing but sales into PV ratio. Here we have sales for both the periods, that is for 97 and for 98. We can use any one of this, okay. So 1997 sales is 1 lakh. So 1 lakh into PV ratio we found, that is 50%. If we do that, we'll get 50,000 is the contribution for 1997, okay. And using this contribution we can find the fixed cost. You know the formula, right? Contribution minus profit will gives you fixed cost. So 50,000 is the contribution and profit for the year 1997 is 20,000. So 50,000 minus 20,000 will get 30,000 as the fixed cost, okay. Now we can work out this break-even point, okay. So the sales here is 1 lakh and the number of units sold is 10,000. So selling price per unit is 10. 1 lakh divided by 10,000 will get 10. And for 1998 also we can find 1 lakh 20,000 divided by 12,000 will get the same 10. And we found this PV ratio and fixed cost, okay. Using this we can find out the break-even point. And the formula to find out the break-even point is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So this is 30,000 fixed cost and PV ratio is 50%. So we'll get 60,000 is the break-even point in amount. We can find out in units too. Okay, and the formula is break-even point in amount divided by selling price per unit. Okay. In amount we got, that is 60,000 divided by selling price is 10,000. We found it, no? If we divide that, we'll get 6,000 units. Okay, the other way also you can find this break-even point, like fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Okay, for that we have to find out the contribution per unit. Then only we can use that formula, okay. So in simple way, I have solve this using this formula, okay? And the break-even point in units is 6,000 units. Okay, now we will move on to the next question, that is margin of safety in the year 1998. Okay, for this year 1998, we have to find out the margin of safety. And the formula is profit divided by PV ratio, right? Yes. For the year 1998, the profit is 30,000 and PV ratio will be common for both the years, right? Okay, so 30,000 divided by 50% will get 60,000 rupees, okay? Sales to earn a profit of 70,000, okay? And see, for this, the formula is fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. And we know the fixed cost, that is 30,000, and the profit is stated, that is the desired profit, this 70,000 divided by PV ratio, we know that is 50%. Okay, if we substitute in the formula, we'll get 2 lakh rupees. That is the sales to earn a profit of this 70,000. Okay, and the next question is the amount of profit when sales are rupees 5 lakh. Okay, if the sales is 5 lakh, we have to find out the amount of profit here. Okay, for that the formula is sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. Okay, if we do this, we'll get the contribution, and contribution minus fixed cost will get profit. No, the same way we are going to do it here now. The sales is given in the problem, that is 5 lakh. 5 lakh into PV ratio is 50%, we know, minus fixed cost also we know, that is 30,000. If we do that, we'll get 2,20,000 is the profit when sales is 5 lakh. Okay, I hope now you can work out this kind of problem, right? And I have given you a small problem, similar problem for you to practice. Just work out the problem and comment the answer. Thank you for your patient listening.